Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Eharmony app not working in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak connection can stop Eharmony from loading. Step 2. First, close the app. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen and force to open App Switcher. Then find eHarmony, then swipe it up to close it completely. Then reopen the app and see if the issue is fixed. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If the app still isn't working, restart your phone. This clears temporary system glitches that may interfere with apps. Step 4. Update the eHarmony. First open the App Store, then search for eHarmony app. If eHarmony has an update, install it, and outdated apps often crash or fail to load. Step 5. Check for iOS updates. First go to the settings, then general, then software update. If an update is available, install it. Some apps don't work properly on older iOS versions. Step 6. Delete and reinstall the app. If nothing works, delete eHarmony from your phone, restart your phone, then reinstall the app from App Store and log back in. And that's how you can fix if eHarmony app not working. And that's it. I have liked this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.